என்னை இங்கு அழைத்தமைக்கும் எனக்கு இந்த வாய்ப்பை அளித்ததற்கும் மிகவும் நன்றி. நான் தமிழ்நாடு விட்டு போய் 40 வருஷம் ஆச்சு. கோயம்புத்தூர்காரன், பேசின கோயம்புத்தூர் தமிழ் தான் பேசுவேன். ஆனால் கொஞ்சம் பவர் இங்கிலீஷில். ஐம் a குட் ஹிந்தி ஓரேட்டர். ஸோ தமிழ்நாட்டில் வந்து இங்கிலீஷையும் தமிழையும் கலந்து கொஞ்சம் பேசுவேன். மீண்டும் நன்றி என்னை இங்கு அழைத்தமைக்கு. In the entire world, Asians are intelligent. In entire Asia, Indians are intelligent. In entire India, South Indians are the most intelligent. And in entire South India, Tamilians are the more intelligent, most intelligent. Aduliyum, the South Tamil Nadu is the most powerful region in the entire world. விஞ்ஞானமும் வளரும், தொழிலும் வளரும், எல்லாவற்றையும் வளர்த்துவோம். என்கிட்ட ஒரு ஸ்டோரி இருக்குது. ஒரு மனுஷனுடைய ஸ்டோரியை மாற்ற முடியாது. நான் என் ஸ்டோரியை சொல்லுவேன். இந்த எண்டுல இது எப்படி ஒரு பல்கலைக்கழகமா இருந்ததுன்னு சொல்லுவேன். சோ அப்பநாயக்கம்பட்டி புதூர் குக்கிராமம், சூலூர் பக்கத்துல, கோயம்புத்தூர் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட். Fortunately, I was born in a village. Those who are born in a village are very powerful because villages gives you enormous teaching. And fortunately, I was a poor man. My father was neither an employee nor an employer. ஒரு ஏழை விவசாயி, நிலமில்லாத விவசாயி. எங்க அம்மாவுக்கு 5 குழந்தைங்க, 2 எருமை வளர்த்தாங்க. 10 லிட்டர் பால் ஒரு நாளைக்கு, வாரம் 70 லிட்டரு, 70 ரூபா வாரத்துக்கு. அந்த 70 ரூபா வாரத்துக்கு பட்ஜெட்டை வச்சு my mother made sure all her children are Madras University graduates without borrowing. So fortunately I am from a village. Fortunately I was poor, and MBA is best taught only in the village where there is no theory, it is all practical. Morning to evening problem solving only. One day I was yelling at my daughter for not doing something properly. அவங்க என்ன சொன்னாங்க தெரியுமா? டாடி, you had the luxury of poverty. What is that? Luxury of poverty. Poverty gives you stamina. If money comes, stamina goes. Agreed? Poverty gives you courage. If money comes, you are scared. When money is not there, you are not scared. And poverty gives you delta. Delta is equal to x2 minus x1. x2 is where you are today. x1 was where you were that day. My x1 was 0. There was no downside for 0. ஏழைக்கு இழப்பதற்கு ஒன்றுமே இல்லை. அவன் எதை பார்த்தும் பயக்க மாட்டான். இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்கூல்ல உங்க குழந்தைகளை படிக்க அனுப்புவீங்களா? இல்லை. Today's women are going to the school, looking at the granite color, looking at the canteen swath, and looking at the teacher's hairstyle and putting their children there. I want all of you to understand, Panchayat Union Arambapalli, Tamil medium, 5 classes, 1 classroom, 1 class teacher. Tamil Nadu had wonderful chief ministers, past tense. There was one Mr. Kamraj who brought meals to the schools. If he has not brought meals to the school, I would have not gone to the school. And wherever I get a stage, I spend 30 seconds to thank that gentleman. Had he not been there, I would have not been a graduate scientist and entrepreneur. எங்கிட்ட போட்டோகிராஃப் இல்ல சார், ஸ்கூல்ல படிக்கும் போது. ஆனா ஞாபகம் இருக்குது, ஒரு கையில ஸ்லேட்டு, இன்னொரு கையில பிளேட்டு, 2 அலுமினியம் தான். The next slide please. Work life balance என்ன ரொட்டேரியன் புரியணும். ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்படுறாங்க பாருங்க. ஏழைகளுடைய ஒர்க் லைஃப் பேலன்ஸ் எப்படின்னு, எங்க மதர் எப்படி குழந்தைகள் வளர்த்திருப்பாங்கன்னு யோசிச்சு பார்த்தா இன்டர்நெட்ல இருந்து கட் பேஸ்ட் பண்ணி போட்டேன். No chappals. BSc la inorganic chemistry la third year la என்னை class room விட்டு வெளிய அனுப்பிச்சிட்டாங்க because I didn't have chapel. Full trouser was not the possibility, only half trouser was the budget. But today in Chennai, all the malls, I am seeing only full half trouser as the very rich man. And you want to listen to the punchline? கிழிஞ்சது போட்டா ஏழை, கிழிச்சு போட்டா பணக்கார. There was no school bus, there was no parent teacher association, there was no birthday parties. Life was cool. I scored 200 out of 200 in mathematics. Those days engineering was 5 years. My father said no engineering, go for a science course. I went and brought the prospectus. He found BCom had 4 letters, BSc had 3 letters. BCom was 300, BSc was 400. So my father told, you join BCom. Guys, I was a BCom student for a month. One of my chemistry professor, Dr. K.R. Karthikeyan, who saw me, are you not 200 out of 200 in mathematics? Yes, sir. Why no engineering? I am poor. Okay, why commerce? I am poor. What is the matter? Sir, 100 rupees. From his pocket, he took out 100 rupees and brought me from BCom and made me a scientist. Agar wo nahi hota, I would have not been a scientist. The next slide, please. So, 1978, I finished a BSc, and in Coimbatore, no one gave me a job. Everybody asked for experience. I don't know where you get experience in the month of May if you have finished your examination in the month of April. 50 interviews I failed. That time itself I took a decision. நான் ஒரு நாளைக்கு ஒரு கம்பெனி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணனா அங்க ஃப்ரெஷருக்கு மட்டும் நான் வேலை கொடுப்பேன், எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் எடுக்கவே மாட்டேன். இன்னைக்கு 7500 பேருக்கு நான் வேலை கொடுத்திருக்கேன் ஃப்ரெஷர்ஸ்க்கு. ஒண்ணா எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் கேட்பான், இல்லாட்டி இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேச சொல்லுவான். English is a language, English is not knowledge. புரிஞ்சுதா? சோ ஒரு கேப்சூல் மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் கம்பெனில வேலை கிடைச்சது. இங்க இருக்கிற அமௌண்ட் not sterling pounds per hour, it is INR per month. பாத்தீங்களா சம்பளம் 4 வருஷத்துக்கு வருஷம் 25 ரூபாய் இன்கிரிமெண்ட். 1000 ரூபாய் வந்த சம்பளம் வந்தா கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்கலாம்னு நினைச்சேன். ஃபார்ச்சுனேட்லி அந்த கம்பெனி க்ளோஸ் டவுன் ஆயிருச்சு. இல்லாட்டி இன்னைக்கு வரைக்கும் எனக்கு கல்யாணமே நடந்திருக்க சான்ஸ் இல்ல. So leaving home, had to taken a decision. எங்க அம்மா கிட்ட பாம்பே போறேன்னு சொன்னேன். ஐயோ அப்பாவும் சம்பாதிக்கிறது இல்ல, எல்லா குழந்தைகளுக்கு நீதான் அண்ணன், நீயும் விட்டுட்டு போனேன்னா நான் என்னடா பண்றதுன்னு அழுன்னு அழுதாங்க. Soil and culture of Tamil Nadu is very unique. Coimbatore is very, very unique. Palladam Taluka is still unique. So everything was not easy to live. And Bombay, uncertainty. பக்கத்து வீட்டுக்காரன் வந்து சொன்னா, நீ பாம்பே போனா பாலா சாஹேப் தாக்கரே அடிச்சு போடுவான். அவனுக்கு எப்படி தெரியும் நான் வந்திருக்கிறது? So I left, I took risk, I went to Bombay, leaving Coimbatore through a Jayanti Janata Express, which starts from Kanyakumari via Coimbatore, goes to Mumbai, landed in Mumbai railway station on August 18, 1982, S9 coach, 41st berth, and I landed in VT railway station. I didn't have money to check in credit card to check in any hotel. There was no purse to keep a credit card. All I had was 500 rupees in 5 different locations, so that there is no pickpockets. Guys, once again, success in life is delta. Delta is equal to x2 minus x1. My x1 was VT railway platform. Railway platform தூங்க தெரிந்தால் நீங்கள் யாருக்கும் பயக்க மாட்டீர்கள். Next slide. அதிர்ஷ்ட தேவதை கண் திறந்தாள். பாபா அணு ஆராய்ச்சி நிலையம். விஞ்ஞானி. I became a scientist. In the interview, I was asked a question, where is thyroid? I was a mathematics student. There was no way of knowing where is thyroid. I thought thyroid should be somewhere here. I want all of you to understand. In 1982, I did not know where thyroid was. In 1992, I finished a PhD in thyroid biochemistry. And in 2002, I am running world's largest thyroid testing laboratory. Punchline கேட்கணுமா? If you do what you have studied, you will survive. If you do what you have studied, you will survive. But if you do what you have not studied, you will be the leader. Sir, bus conductor தான் சார் சூப்பர் ஸ்டார் ஆக முடியும், ஒத்துக்கிறீங்களா? So MSc முடிஞ்சது, PhD முடிஞ்சது. I was a gazetted officer. My father-in-law was in love with me. Anybody who has a marriageable age daughter has to love a boy. And he proposed. I didn't want to marry a Bombay girl. I am from a village. No confidence of marrying a Bombay girl. Then I thought, let me have a look at the girl. There is nothing you lose by looking at the girl. I had a look at the girl, not at all very impressive. I came home and sat down. Every father-in-law should know that the boy is not interested, right? But generally father-in-laws don't have ego. Agreed? At least until marriage. So he came to me asking for an answer. I didn't want to tell him after seeing the girl, this girl is not okay for my marriage, that is indecent. I was a mathematician. So I thought, why to discourage this, why to disappoint this man, why not discourage that lady? Can I talk to her for 1 hour? He agreed. 1 hour, how many minutes are there? 55 minutes, I only talked. 5 minutes absolute silence was there. I decided I must marry her. 1 மணி நேரம் ஒரு பொண்ணு பேசாம இருந்தது எங்காவது பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? So that was my decision and I got married. My wife was a bank officer, State Bank of India, decent salaries, 2 cute children, and I was 37, my son was 7 and my daughter was 7. That gives rise to the next slide. Picture perfect. Again, any college going boy, girl wants a life like this. Good job, good wife and good children, boy and a girl, perfect picture. But comfort zones are danger zones. Comfort zones are danger zones. வாழ வந்தாயா இல்லை வெற்றி பெற வந்தாயா? ஆள வந்தாயா? வாழ வந்தாயா இல்லை ஆள வந்தாயா? ஹிந்தியில சொல்லுவாங்க படா ஹோனா ஹை யா புட்டா ஹோனா ஹை. பெரியவனாகணுமா இல்ல வயசாகணுமா? பெரியவனாக வேண்டும் என்றால் ரிஸ்க் எடுக்கணும். எங்க அம்மா நீ ஒரு ரெஸ்ட்லெஸ் கிட்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. இப்ப என் பொண்ணு நீ ஒரு ரெஸ்ட்லெஸ் டாட்னு சொல்றாங்க. தமிழ்ல ஒரு பழமொழி, கோயம்புத்தூர் பழமொழி, மயிரை கட்டி மலையை இழுக்கிறது, மயிரை கட்டி மலையை இழுக்கிறது, வந்தா மலை அந்த 2 லட்சம் ரூபாய் ப்ராவிடன்ட் ஃபண்ட் அமௌண்ட், கவர்மெண்ட் வேலையில இருந்து நின்னதுக்கு 2 லட்சம் ரூபாய் ப்ராவிடன்ட் ஃபண்ட் அமௌண்ட் இந்த பிசினஸ்ல உள்ள போட்ட இன்னைக்கு 3000 கோடிகள் அந்த 2 லட்சம் ரூபாய் கொடுத்திருக்கிறது. மழை வந்து விட்டது. What will I lose? எடுத்துட்டு போனது என்ன? 500 ரூபாய். X1 0 X1 0 என்று நினைச்சுக்கோ, வாழ்க்கையில பயங்கரமான வெற்றி பெறலாம். இப்படி ஒரு பெரிய மீட்டிங்ல இப்படி ஒரு பெரிய பேச்சு கொடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் 2 பேர் பணக்கார பசங்க சைடுல நான் இறங்கி போகும்போது, சார் சார் நீங்க சொன்னதெல்லாம் ரைட் தான் சார், அன்பார்ச்சுனேட்லி we are very rich, what to do சார். நாங்க எங்கேயாவது கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்காங்க இந்த பிரச்சனைய? நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட் ப்ளீஸ். தமிழ்நாட்டில் யாரு கையே தட்டல? நீங்க நினைச்சிருப்பீங்க நான் அவரை பார்த்து காப்பி அடிச்சேன். 2016 ஏப்ரல் மாசம் நான் சால்ட் லேக் சிட்டி யுஎஸ்ல ஒரு பிசினஸ் மீட்டிங்காக போயிருந்தேன். there was a snowing. I took a photograph and sent it to home. Exactly after 10 months this movie comes. நான் காப்பி அடிச்சேன். In life you can discuss or decide, you can't do both. If you discuss, you can't decide. And if you have decided, there is no need to discuss. You know why there is no need to discuss? There is nothing known as a good decision. There is a decision. Take a decision and make it good. Discuss பண்ணீங்கன்னா decision எடுக்க முடியாது. Especially with your family members, if you are discussing, you can't take any decision. Is that clear? Family members க்கு உட்கார வச்சு நீங்க என்ன பண்றீங்கன்னு ஒரு பிரசன்டேஷன் பண்ணுங்க. அவங்க பண்ண வேண்டாம்னு சொன்னாங்கன்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்க, நீங்க அதை தான் பண்ணணும். ஏன் தெரியுமா? In life you have only 2 options. One is what is easy to do, another is what is right to do. Unfortunately what is easy to do is not right to do, and what is right to do is not easy to do, and your parents will not allow you to do what is difficult to do. So don't listen to parents when it comes to decision making. I left home in 1982 without discussing with my father. I just showed him the ticket. In 1986, I got married without discussing with my mother. It was not a love marriage. My father-in-law loved me. I resigned in 1995 without discussing with my wife. On a Friday, I go to office. I open the drawer. I see my closing balance in my passbook. There was 2 lakh rupees. My monthly outgoing was 5,000 rupees. 2 lakh rupees in 1995 is equivalent to 1 crore today. So, 5,000 ரூபாய் மாசம் செலவு, 2 லட்சம் ரூபாய் closing balance, 40 மாசம் family is absolutely safe. புரிஞ்சுதா? Tick number 1. Tick number 2. ஒரு right hand side ஒரு colleague, left hand side ஒரு colleague, எல்லாருமே 2 bedroom hall kitchen SDFC loan, 20 வருஷத்துக்கு loan installment EMI, எங்க ஒருத்தனுக்கு மட்டும்தான் EMI இல்லை. Tick number 2. Tick number 3. My wife is working in State Bank of India. Resign பண்ணிட்டேன். Friday சாயங்காலம் 3ல இருந்து 3:30க்குள்ள டிசிஷன் எடுத்து ரிசைன் பண்ணியாச்சு, வீட்டுக்கு போயாச்சு. டின்னர் சாப்பிடும்போது ஒண்ணுமே பேசல, தூங்க போயிட்டோம். Night 2 o'clock, my wife asked me, "Are you not sleeping?" I said, "I have resigned." Because நான் பகல்ல தான் பொய் சொல்லுவேன், ராத்திரிக்கு பொய்யே சொல்லவே மாட்டேன். So the minute she heard I have resigned, until that time she was horizontal, then she became vertical. So she went and put on the light, and I know now there will be a Mahabharat. She looked at my eyes, I looked at her, and she told me, "If you don't go for office from tomorrow, I also will not go to office." Night 2 மணிக்கு மிரட்டல். Tick 1 போச்சா? Until that time I was horizontal, then I became vertical. And I told my wife, வாழ்ந்தால் ஒன்றாக வாழ்வோம், வீழ்ந்தால் ஒன்றாக வீழ்வோம். அவங்களும் அன்னையிலிருந்து வேலைக்கு போல, நானும் அன்னையிலிருந்து வேலைக்கு போல, 2 பேரும் ஒரே நாள் டெசிஷன் எடுத்தோம். Title of my talk very often is Romance with Risk. என்னது? You have to romance with risk, otherwise there is no story. Today I am standing in front of such a huge gathering only because I risked, and risking becomes story. Guys, please trust me, there is nothing on this earth if you don't have thrill in life, and there is no thrill in life if you don't risk, and risking is very important. Then I started a business, a thyroid testing. Everybody charged 500. I decided I will do only at 100 rupees. Then there is a cancer scan. Everybody charges 25,000. I decided I will do only at 10,000. And these are the few decisions. And afterwards, from thyroid at $2, one day my daughter asked me, "Daddy, are you rich?" "Yes." "What are you going to do with the money?" Arey, I was shocked. Then I thought, Bill Gates, Premji, all of them are doing social service. So I told I will give it to the society. My daughter told me, "You are an idiot. You are looting the patient and giving to the society. They are looting the society and giving to the patient. You are wrong." Profound. I was charging $2. I decided to charge only $1 because I wanted to give to the society back, to the patients back. Fortunately, when I reduced the price, my profits went up because volumes went up. I want all of you to understand this is a very unique journey, and I made it to happen. Go to the next slide. So I have disrupted, cost disruption, concept disruption. I want all of you to understand, because some of you are doing business. Concept wise, what did they do very different? There are 2 things. One is, in Coimbatore, there is a brand Annapurna. There is a centralized kitchen, 10 restaurants. I thought laboratory business and hotel business are similar. Hotel, where you engage the patient, is restaurant. Where you do the cooking is kitchen. In the laboratory, where you engage the patient, is a restaurant. Where you do the test is kitchen. I thought entire South Mumbai, why one kitchen is not sufficient? It worked. Why not in entire Mumbai? It worked. Why not in Surat, Pune and Nasik? It worked. Why not in Delhi, Hyderabad and Chennai? It worked. Today it works from Indonesia to Saudi Arabia in so many countries. That is a concept which is a cloud concept which I got it very, very early. ஏன் தெரியுமா? நான் பட்டிக்காட்டுக்கார ஏழை. I am from village. That gave me knowledge, courage, everything. I want all of you to understand. If you are from a village, celebrate. The speed. Internet came, night working, all the specimen across the country comes to the same laboratory every night, same night, before midnight and only in night. I've done a McDonald's. McDonald's doesn't give you masala dosa. McDonald's doesn't give you Chinese fried rice. It gives you only burger. I don't do pathology. I don't do microbiology. I only do biochemistry. I've done a Ola. Until Ola came into picture, taxis were standing for 20 hours, running for 4 hours. Today they run 24 hours. And thyroid testing machine today runs 24 hours. I've done an Amazon from Indonesia to Saudi Arabia. You go to the website, book for a profile. My man will come to your door. This is Amazon today. My Amazon is 25 years back I have created. You can go to the next slide. So, this is the story. 60,000 patients a night, 300,000 tests a night, every night, same night, before midnight and only in night. Mind you, don't think that I have taken away entire healthcare business. In a 100 kilogram body, I have only picked up 15 grams and then 15 grams is worth today 3,000 crores. This was my first slide. That is the vision. Everybody was doing everything. I did only one thing because I have done a PhD in only in one subject and I felt India has got a billion thyroid. All billion is my thyroid. Go to the next one. So, I am introduced nowadays as a brand around the gland. There is a photograph which did not come there. 1,000 cities I am present, 3,000 franchises, 10,000 families, 1,200 staff working, 98% freshers, mean age of the employee 26, company is 25-year-old. Mean age of the employee is 26. Have you noticed? That means every year take freshers from the bottom of the pyramid. Your company's age doesn't change. In the entire world, India is cheapest in healthcare. In entire India, I am the cheapest and I have 42% profitability which is available in the National Stock Exchange for you people to enjoy. Next slide please. The thyroid, I focus on thyroid so much. Thyroid sounds like Android. And this is how the growth is. Every 5 years, 6 years I have grown like this. Go to the next one. Yeah, this is my own punchline. I want once again. Our Vivek சொன்னார் கைதட்டலன்னு போயிருவேன். நானும் தான் போயிருவேன். Take less to get more. If you take more, you get less. This is nature. Don't copy the neighbor. If you copy the neighbor, you become one more neighbor. Resist to temptation. There are only two kinds of people. One who is successful, other could not resist the temptation. Plan to lose. இழக்க நினைத்தால் இழக்க மாட்டாய், இழக்க பயந்தால் அடைய மாட்டாய். இழப்பது என்பது ஒரு risk. Take that risk. Romance with risk. It's a marathon race. Business, job, everything is marathon race. You cannot succeed in the first round itself. You have to keep your stamina till you win the last. Avoid easy things, I said. Jitao, this is a Hindi word. Jitao means வெற்றி பெறச் செய். வெற்றி பெற்றவன் தோற்று விடலாம், வெற்றி பெறச் செய்கின்றவன் தோற்றதாக வரலாறே கிடையாது. நான் ஒரு நல்ல ஸ்டோரி டெல்லரா? Guys, I am the second best storyteller in the country. You want to know who is the first? भाई और बहनों, मित्रों, 125 करोड़ देशवासियों, learn storytelling. Teach your children how to tell stories. If your child can tell a wonderful story, he will be the Prime Minister of the country. The next one, please. Focus, learn, grow and enjoy. If you don't focus, you can't learn. If you don't learn, you can't grow. And if you don't grow, you cannot enjoy. DCO is specifically for Rotarians. Don't change the order. You understand? Otherwise they will change, enjoy, then come reverse. நேத்து ராத்திரி பாட்டி நல்லா இருந்ததா கேள்விப்பட்டேன். A focused man can learn and do anything. A எப்படி மேத்தமேட்டிக்ஸ் இன்னைக்கு மெடிக்கல் பிசினஸ் பண்றான்? எப்படி ஒரு தமிழ்காரன் உட்கார்ந்து நார்மல் உட்கார்ந்து வெற்றி கடு கட்டுறான்? எப்படி ஹிந்தியில பேசுற, எப்படி மராட்டியில பேசுற? I want all of you to understand. If you focus, everything you can learn and do. Teach children how to focus. Focus is the art. If you can't focus, you cannot succeed in anything. Create employment. Don't do business for money. Create employment. Expenditure and investment. I want all of you to understand. It's very important. Expenditure means it is gone. Investment means it will give you money back. Both you have to write check. Please differentiate. Honey and money sound similar? Hello? Honey and money sound similar? Honey is collected by honey bee. Money is collected by money bee. If honey falls in honey, தேனில் விழுந்தால் என்ன ஆகும்? இறந்து விடும். If money bee falls in money, என்ன ஆகும்? தொலைந்து விடுவான். Be careful. Money is a poison. But you must have enough money to tell that. Love nature, not gadgets. நாம நேச்சரை மறந்துட்டோம். Love nature, not gadgets. Love music, not food. Burn calories, not salaries. புரியுதா? And you know what is stupidity? Burning salaries, burn calories. Avoid EMI. Sir, இது சொன்னா எப்படி சார்? என்கிட்ட எல்லார்கிட்ட EMI இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவீங்க இல்லையா? I want all of you to understand. Heaven is clutter free brain, fear free heart, EMI free life. So achieve that heaven if you can. ஒரே ஒரு ரிஸ்க் எடுங்க சார். நீங்க பிசினஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா price it low. உலகம் பூரா யாருமே பிரைஸ் லோவா வச்சு க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டு போனதாக வரலாறே இல்ல. All those who have failed because in spite of pricing it high, they could not find a profit. Go to the next one. That's a very important one. நல்லதொரு குடும்பம் பல்கலைக்கழகம். இது கனெக்ட் பண்ணுது. I am very powerful. I have high energy. I am confident, courageous only because my parents did not do anything for me. ஆச்சரியமா இருக்கா? அன்றைக்கு எம்ஜிஆர் பாடிட்டு போனாரு. எந்த குழந்தையும் நல்ல குழந்தை தான் மண்ணில் பிறக்கையிலே. All children by default are creators. If they become consumers, it is because of parents, grandparents and servants. புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்கப்பா. My parents did not do anything. My mother did not pamper me. She had to pamper the buffalo. Because buffalo only was giving milk, not me. No overfeeding. There is nothing to feed. Where is the question of overfeeding? And they didn't coach me. My mother and father both were third standard fail. So there was no coaching. And they didn't push me to score. I went and told my father, I scored 200 marks in mathematics. My father told me, why are you telling a lie? I have never heard anything more than 100. இன்னைக்கு 195 வாங்கினவன் அடி வாங்குறான். என்ன பக்கத்து வீட்டுக்கார பொண்ணு 198. புரிஞ்சுதா? Don't chase marks. நான் முதல்லயே சொன்னேன், English is a language. English is not knowledge. இப்ப இன்னொரு பஞ்ச் சொல்றேன். Marks are marks. Marks are not knowledge. My parents did not bring in fear in me. My father asked me, you want to learn swimming? I said yes. He took me to a well. 25 steps. Get down. After 5 steps, he kicked me and put me in water. Then he jumped and brought me out. I was crying. He told me, hey, don't cry. Just 1 or 2 minutes, no one dies. Is that clear? Nowadays, you know how MNC employees, parents do for the children? Because they are rich, their two-wheeler is actually four-wheeler. Because two-wheeler, one in front and side, 2 more wheel. Make the son to sit on it. And a helmet, and a putty here, and a putty here. And the father is holding, and the mother is watching. They bring in fear. My parents did not bring in fear in me. They did not make special roads for the children. They made sure that their children can run in any road. They did not force us to see the world through their eyes. அவர்கள் உலகை எங்கள் கண்களின் மூலமாக கண்டார்கள். பெற்றோர்களே, நீங்களும் வரப்போகின்ற உலகை உங்கள் குழந்தைகளின் கண்கள் மூலமாக பாருங்கள். ஒளிமயமான எதிர்காலம் ஒன்று உண்டாகும். Next one please. So கேட்டாங்க, do you have MBA to do business? கோயம்புத்தூர்ல ஒரு MBA, யாரெல்லாம் கோயம்புத்தூர்ல சந்தோஷமா இருந்துக்காங்க. கோயம்புத்தூர்ல ஒரு MBA இருக்குது. பாம்பேல ஒரு MBA. Kumbakonam, my wife, so I have 3 MBAs. Never borrowed in my life. The message to all of you, never borrow. I have never borrowed. I did business personally without borrowing. My companies today are worth 3,000 crore. There is zero debt. There is கடன் என்பது என் பெயரிலும் இல்லை, கம்பெனி பெயரிலும் இல்லை. ஏன் என்று கேட்டால் என்னுடைய தாய் 70 ரூபாயில் வாழ்க்கையில் கடனே வாங்காமல் வாழ்ந்து விட்டார்கள். நாங்கள் ஏன் கடன் வாங்க வேண்டும்? So don't borrow money. Lived frugal. Frugal என்றால் எளிமை. Made mistakes. Don't think business is not making mistakes. Everybody has to make mistake. Make them very fast. Make all mistakes. Learn from the mistake. Don't repeat the mistake, and you will be the most powerful person on this earth. I have never chased car or house. இதுவரை நான் வீடு வாங்கவில்லை. வீடு வாங்குகின்ற உத்தேசமும் இல்லை. I want all of you to understand. That's one of the things which made me very powerful. Employed fresh and poor. பயந்துக்காதீங்க, ஷாக் அடிக்கும். அப்சர்வ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, திங்க் பண்ணுங்க, உங்களுக்கு எது வேணுமோ அதை பண்ணுங்க. நான் சொல்றதெல்லாம் நீங்க பண்ணணுங்கிறது இல்ல. நான் எப்படி பெரியவனாலன்னு சொன்னேன், அது என்னுடைய ஓன் philosophy. So 10,000 families, values which I learned from village, values I got from my poverty, gave me valuation for the company. My company got listed in the National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange in the year 2016 and 75 times oversubscribed, and it got listed at 3,500 crore market cap, and the Business World December 2016 reported Dr. Velumani is 149th richest Indian in the country. Go to the next slide. So this is the 40 years of challenge. This is the boy who went to Mumbai. 12 rupees of rented suit. That photograph only my father-in-law was in love with, because of which everything went on. This is the man who is in front of you today. Go to the next one. Last slide. என்னுடைய மனைவி, she is no more. I lost her for pancreatic cancer just 50 days before IPO, and we came to know just 50 days before her death she has pancreatic cancer grade 4. Nothing could be done. எங்களுக்கு கல்யாணம் ஆகும்போது அவங்களும் பிஎஸ்சி, நானும் பிஎஸ்சி, அவங்க பிஎஸ்சியாவே இருந்துட்டாங்க. She made me MSc, she made me PhD, she made me scientist, she made me entrepreneur, she made me storyteller. She taught me Hindi, she taught me Marathi, she taught me Gujarati. It is literally speaking, we were doing an Everest expedition. Just 50 meters more, she left my hand. The most powerful lady one can imagine. Please give a round applause to this most powerful lady. So, நல்லதொரு குடும்பம் பல்கலைக்கழகம். Let me come to the subject, because this is my story. My story will not change. I can't change my story, but I always connect my story with the title in the last 10 minutes. And wonderful parents, illiterate parents, broad-minded parents. They did not give me any gadget. They did not give me any money, but they gave me a lot of freedom. Guys, you are all giving everything, but you are not giving freedom. Give children enough freedom. That is the power of parents. Wonderful brothers, sister, all of them were behind me, supporting me. I am 60-year-old. Every day they were behind me. Even today they are all living their own family, but all of them live, as far as business is concerned, as a joint family. So I have got wonderful siblings. My in-laws are too good. I don't know where from I got it. My friends, my scientific environment, my business environment, my employees are most powerful. Listen to me. If you are good, everybody around you is too good to you. Be good to everyone and create a huge impact in the society. By the by, I want to conclude by telling you, money making is not success. Happiness is success. You don't need money to be happy. If you are happy, be happy. And if you are not happy, even after making money, you may not be happy. God bless you. I wish to thank the Rotarian District 3000 to call me, and I enjoyed a lot. Great day. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Your session was full of passion and priceless knowledge. past District Governor S. Gopal will now felicitate the Speaker, Dr. A. Velmani, with a bouquet.
நன்றி.